In this video, I'm going to show you how to export only the selected audio in Audacity, so you can save just the exact part you need without exporting the entire project. This is super useful when you want to trim out a section, create a clip, or save one specific highlight from a longer recording. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Audacity tips and audio editing guides. Let's jump in. First, open your project in Audacity and make sure the audio you want is loaded into the timeline. To start selecting the exact section you want to export, press F1 to enable the selection tool. This tool lets you highlight a specific part of your waveform with precision. Once it's active, click and drag your mouse across the waveform to select the section you want. You'll see the chosen area highlighted, which means Audacity has registered that part as your active selection. If you already have a clip separated in your project, there's also a quicker option. You can click on the clip itself to select the entire clip all at once. That's a handy shortcut if you want to export one complete segment without manually dragging across the waveform. Now that your selection is ready, go up to the File menu at the top of the screen. Hover over Export Audio. This is where Audacity gives you the options to save your audio out as a separate file. When the export window opens, look for the export range section. This is the most important part, because it controls what portion of the audio will actually be exported. In the Export Range drop-down menu, select Current Selection. This tells Audacity to export only the highlighted blue area and ignore everything else in the project. If you skip this step, you may accidentally export the full track instead of the part you wanted, so it's always worth double-checking here. Next, choose the file format you want for your export. For example, you can pick WAV if you want higher quality, or MP3 if you want a smaller file size and easier sharing. After that, type in a name for your file and choose the folder where you want it to be saved. Picking the right format and save location now will help keep your files organized later. Once everything looks correct, click the Export button. Audacity will then create a new audio file containing only the selected segment. That means the rest of the project will not be included and you'll end up with just the exact audio you highlighted. And that's it. You've now successfully exported selected audio in Audacity. This is a simple but powerful workflow that can save you a lot of time anytime you need to share, reuse, or archive just one part of a larger recording. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Audacity tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.